Okay, we have done this, right? Okay, now what we need to do, we need to write a query to just check whether do we have any data. Okay, so now in the stage table we have the data, right? Okay, and now as we discussed here, what we need to do, we need to insert the data like this. Okay, so first of all, I need to identify, do I have any data in the stage table? Okay. Uh, Now what I need to do, I need to prepare a query to check whether is there any data in the my SCD type 2 dimension table. Okay. So in this table, let me see whether do I have any data. It does not matter whether I have the data at first time or not. Hmm? Yes. So no data. Okay. Now, first of all, I need to see whether do I have any data. Select star from uh, same table where flag equal to y. First, I need to pull this data, and as well as from the stage table, I need to pull, do I have any data? Okay. And what is the number? Cust underscore key. Custom key in select distinct. Okay. Uh, Distinct c underscore cust key from stage underscore customer. Okay. Now what it is, the stage table, from the stage table, I'm checking, do I have any data in this table or not? In which table? In the dimension table. First time, right? So empty. So you will not get any data. It means there is nothing to update the data. It means what? There is nothing to update data. Okay. For example, what records I have to update first of all. So in case if there is any match, what I need to do? I need to update end date as a day minus one and the flag, and as well as update date I need to update. So totally how many columns I have to update? End date and flag and update date. These three columns I need to update. So what I will do? I'll write a update statement now. Okay. So how I'll write update? Update table, update table set. Okay. What are the columns? First flag I have to update as n for the matching record, comma, and end date. For end date, what I have to do? Current date -1, -1 as end date. Okay, for this one. Sorry, I have given wrong. End date equal to current date -1, comma, comma, and current timestamp. So current timestamp for update GMT timestamp. Update GMT timestamp equal to. Okay. So first, what I'm going to do, let me copy paste this query in Notepad. Okay. Here I'll write it below. Hmm. Okay. Now you see. So first of all, I have written a query to just check the data. Okay. So this query, what it does actually, what it does, it will identify the matching records from the stage table. If there is any update, then only I'll get the data. Otherwise, I will not get any data, right? Correct. So now what I'm going to do, I'm just selecting customer key and flag Y because I don't need a flag N data, which is active. That only I have to take. So for that, once if there is any match, what I need to do in this table, I have to update an N. First step, what I need to do, what I have to do, flag N I need to change. And for end date, I need to give a current date -1. And then for update GMT timestamp, I need to update as a current timestamp. Okay. So these columns uh, where I'll give these conditions like this. So first of all, what it does, it will just check for the Y, and wherever keys are matches, I will update this record. Okay. So now let's execute this manually and see whether this query will run or not. We should not get any syntax errors. First of all, there is no data, it will not update anything. First time. We need to just check, see, number of rows, nothing, and number of multi-line rows also nothing. Nothing we didn't get actually. Okay, this is fine. Okay, now this script, what I have to do, I need to keep in our stored procedure. In the next step, I will write a comment, update the flag, comma, end date, comma, update GMT timestamp. Okay, then I'll write here step. The second step, third step also we entered. Okay, first of all, what we have done, we have updated the flags. Now, hmm, 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 okay. Now, in this table, what I have to do now, I need to insert the data. I mean, in this table. From which table? From the stage table. So now what I will do, again next time. So I'll write a query. For that, what I will do, I'll take all these columns. Okay. I'm writing a semicolon. Okay. Here, insert into SCD type 2. Okay, this table. Okay, select all the columns, comment till comment, and then uh, start date, end date. I need to update, right? Okay. So uh, current timestamp or current date, whatever you give, timestamp as current date, start date, okay, and then no, not this one. So what I have to do, I need to give a last date, right? 31st 12. What first of all I need to see the time, what how I'm getting the timestamp. Hmm? Select a current date. Okay, year, month, like this I'm getting current timestamp. First of all, you need to check what is your database accepting the time. Okay, like this, fine then. Okay, now what I will do here, I will change to here also current date I'll take. Okay, here that 20, sorry, 99999 hyphen, okay, 12 hyphen 31st as end date. Okay, and then flag I first we created flag right here. Y for all records y this is as flag. Okay, and then uh, run timestamp as insert geometry timestamp. Yeah, this is the record and the comma. Here first time I'm just keeping null as update timestamp. Update geometry timestamp. In this I missed one more thing. Update I have given already. Okay. So here first time update geometry timestamp from stage underscore customer. Okay. So this is all a hard coded down. Okay. Now what I will do, I have given a semicolon and here uh, inserting the data. There is a column called SK. Okay, this column also I have, right? This is key. For now, what I will do, I'll just pass one default value for SK. Hmm? Um, one as SK, S underscore key. Okay, I'll keep like this. Comma here. Okay. This is comma. Insert the data into table. See, I have not written any delete statement. I have just updated the update statement and then insert statement according to the SCD type 2. Okay. So now what I will do, I'll create this particular, I'll execute this. Okay. I'll take the new one. Procedure. Okay. Yeah. Declare. The end of close. Line number, line 45. 45. It will get executed successfully. Now running the procedure. Okay. Executing procedure. Statement error, line number 20. It's a timestamp. Okay. 24. Line number 24. Okay. Timestamp. Current timestamp before the transaction. Sorry. dot table. Numbers not recognized. Okay. Statement. What we will do for now, I will remove this statement. Okay, I will remove this. Later we will update. Huh? I'm just updating two columns. Huh? Yes, something here. I think is wrong. Line number 24. Current tension is not recognized. Got exception. Current tension position 23. Step is not recognized. So, number here we have customer and customer and the current data. Current data minus 1. Timestamp is not recognized. All test. Set the flag in equal to current minus 1. Yeah. Timestamp 54 line number timestamp is not recognized. Let me just check this error. What exactly it is? Hmm, timestamp error. Okay, error timestamp entity. That I'll use state. This state also it will work actually. Let me see. Hmm, select the system date. I'll give this person this. Let me see now. Where is procedure is successful. Now all this procedure same error. Okay. What is the column given here? Describe table name underscore. This is timestamp here. This is noted. And that is a date column. Date. Okay. But timestamp. Current date. Let me try like this. Okay. Okay. Then if there is data, it is still it's not getting a show. Okay. Now same line number 25 system statement error on line number 25. Okay. Okay. So what I will do for now, what I will do, just I'll remove that also. Okay. Uh, I will remove only flag. I will update. Later we will see this. Now we will just check. Okay. This is fine. Now we'll go step by step. There is no timestamp. Why it is line number 24? I think this is getting some error. I guess here. Hold it. Mm, Paste as data. Let me see like this. I will convert this current timestamp. This is also fine. Mm, Maybe that is giving error. I guess because we are not capturing step by step, right? So that is the reason we are getting this here. Hmm. Timestamp, but as exhibit some current. Okay, maybe for this one alone, I guess. Line number. Let me see. Okay, wait. Okay. What is the line number of this one? Because the first statement, I hope it is executing. Let me see. This is 74. 24 why it is coming. Mhm. Describe the column. One second. Describe the table like we have started, ended, these are fine. Now, what is the problem here? Hmm. What I will do? What I will do? Hmm. Current date as a start date. This is fine. Cast as this is also fine. Timestamp as insert empty. For now, this is also keep as it is. Okay. Stage customer insert empty time. Timestamp. Timestamp. These columns are same. Here, what is here? Here, current timestamp update flag and where. Okay, this is also fine. The stage distinct. This is fine. Okay, first what I will do, I'll take this query. I will try to run manually. Then we will come to know. Okay, I have taken this one. Okay, so stage customer, current date -1, comma. Okay, like this. Now let me run this first. Where is the problem? We will see. Okay, so there is no problem here. Hmm. Let me run this. Hmm. Here also I'm not getting any error. Then why I'm getting error right on this? Stage customer, select distinct customer. Copy paste this one. Okay, insert table. Then this is fine. Okay. Not successful. Don't know what is the reason. Happened? I don't know. Okay, now we will see. This is the stage data. Okay. So 2148 it was inserted. Okay. Now on this right, you see twice we executed. Manually we executed, through procedure we executed. Okay, if you see here, okay, flag is N for the older data. 24 you have. This is 26, you have day minus 1, we kept it. And this is insert empty timestamp as it is, we have kept. And here also we kept as it is for now. Okay, not an issue. Now you see here 48 we have, 49 we have. It means what? There is some data got updated. Okay. So now you see we have a 1,50,000 records we have. So now what I will do, I'll give where flag to y. Okay. You will get again with y. Okay. And you see flag is y. Time is using 27 and default date. Default date as current date. And this is timestamp 2149. It is also timestamp 2149. But for the previous data, it got updated to 48. Okay, because we are updating the timestamp also, right? Now you see what I will do. I will truncate the data. Truncate table name, table truncated. There is nothing data now. You see. Okay, what I will do, first I will load the data only one record. Okay, only one record for you to understand. Where C underscore first key equal to 1. Only one record I am checking now. Okay, procedure updated. We'll just check now. Okay, data loaded. Say data loaded, only one record loaded in the stage table. And now you say SCD type 2 data. You see 1111. Okay, comment flag is Y and 2024. Okay, 1227. Okay, and the default date and the insert empty timestamp, it's the same. Now again I will load. What will happen? Your end date for the first one, this will become N, and the end date will become here also 2027. Okay, and then here you will see some change in the timestamp, and another record will insert with the Y 2027, same way like this. You will get, see. I will load this data. I will run this query and see. You change that data will change accordingly. You see here. See, same record inserted again. Now you see here. Okay, this is old record got changed to 26. Day minus 1 we have kept, right? The if you see here, day minus 1 in the update statement we have given day minus 1. Okay, now this day minus 1 and timestamp also you see. Okay, update timestamp 53 got changed because I have written the update statement also here. Update statement equal to current timestamp, that also changed here. Okay, and then new record inserted 27 and date, and that same timestamp here you see timestamps. So like this, seconds, milliseconds, you have a difference you see here. 446 here 5005. Okay, if you want to see the difference. So like this, we need to do the SCD type 2. Okay, so we have covered SCD type 1. and the SCD type 2. Both we have covered by using the our stored procedure. So see, very simple stored procedure we implemented. Now we have a surrogate key. This record, it has to increment one by one always. So we can do auto increment for this column. Okay, whenever a record comes, right, it will accordingly, it will take the maximum number and it will increment one by one. So that we will discuss in the next class. Okay. Any doubts here? Anyone? Hello? We have only 1 minute. If you are not asking anything, then call will be disconnected after 1 minute. Any questions? Sweta, Manohar,
No, no, not clear, Anna.
clear, right?
Yes, Anna.
Okay. Yeah, you need to practice all 8 tables we have, right? For all 8 tables, you need to practice this ACD type 2. Okay. And I have just applied here only one record. Tomorrow class, I'll show you without after removing that where condition, so that 150 records we can see the change. Okay. And similarly, we will work it on one by one. Okay. Then let's connect again tomorrow with the different topic. Okay. Okay. Thank you. Thank you all.